Hi students, today I am going to explain you exercise 5.2. In previous class I discussed 5.1. Today I am going to discuss 5.2. See first question, fill in the blanks of the following table given that A is the first term, D is the common difference and and n term of AP. Uh, you have to find what some fill in the blanks are there that you have to find. First one, see first one, A is equal, okay, before that, I already told one formula, that formula is if we know A and D, A means first term and D means common difference, then we can able to find any term. Suppose that formula is Pn is equal A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Suppose you now if you have to find fifth term, T5 is equal A plus, in place of n there will be 5 minus 1 4 D. If you put the value of A and D, then you will got the fifth term. Like this way you have to do. A is equal 7, D is equal 3, N is equal 8, then you have to find An. An is equal, how much you have to find? More that Tn bole likhise and An bole likhise, same thing. Now see An, here solution A is equal this much, then we know that An is equal A plus n minus 1 into D is equal, in place of A there is 7, put 7, then plus sign, put plus sign, in place of n there is 8, put 8, minus 1, 1, in place of D there is 3 is equal 7 plus 8 minus 1 is equal 7 into 3 is equal 7 plus 7 3 is a 21 is equal 28. Our An is equal how much? 28. Okay, then see one more. Okay, I think you can understand this thing. See question number 3. A is not given, A is question mark, then D is minus 3, then N is 18, An is equal minus 5. An is equal minus 5. Here also same thing, we know that An is equal A plus n minus 1 D is equal, in place of A we don't know, but we know here An is equal minus 5, put minus 5, then A is equal A only, plus in place of A there is 18 minus 1, D is equal minus 3, minus 5 is equal A plus 17 into minus 3, minus 5 is equal A plus, if you multiply plus and minus it will become minus, put minus sign, 3 7 are 21, 2 left, 3 1 are 3, fine, 51, A minus 51. It can be written like this also, A minus 51 is equal minus 5. Then it implies A is equal minus 5, this minus 5. When this minus 51 on that side, it will become plus 51. Now we see that plus is more, A is equal, plus is more, that means our answer will be in positive. When from 51, যদি 5 বসি যায় তেতিয়া হলে কিমান থাকিব 46. A is equal how much? 46. Like this way, three more questions are there. This are homework for you. Okay. Then see question number 2. Shows the correct choice in the following and justify. 30 term of AP is 30 terms. One AP is given. See, one AP is given. That is 10, 7, 4 dot dot dot. Here A is equal. Here A is equal. First term is 10. D is equal 7 minus 10 is equal minus 3. Okay. Now we have to find what? 30 term. That means T30. We have to find T30. Then here you have to write, we know that An is equal A plus N minus 1 D. Now we want what? 30 term is equal, in place of A there is 10 plus, in place of N there is, we have to find 30 term, 30 minus 1 and D is equal minus 3 is equal 10 plus this one became 29 into minus 3 is equal 10 plus into minus became minus 3 9 are 27, 2 left, 3 2 are 6, 7, 8. And now minus is more, it will become minus 77. That means our 30 term will be what? Minus 77. Okay, like this way. Second one is homework for you. Then see question number 3. Which if the AFPs find a missing boxes? This one of the important question. Many times it come in final exam. First one, 2, here one box is there, then this one is 26. See here, first term is what? First term A is equal to, then this one third term A3. Third term A3 can be written as A plus 2D. Third term can be written as A plus 2D is equal how much? 26. Now A is equal to, we know, plus 2 into D. A3 is equal 26. Then D is equal, D we didn't know, write as D. Then here also we can write this 26. Then 2D is equal 26. When this plus 2 gone that side, it will become minus 2. Then 2D is equal how much? 24. Then D is equal 24 by 2 is equal 12. Okay. Now D is 12. Therefore, second term A2 is equal A plus D is equal A plus D is equal 12, A is equal 2. That means it will become 14. Now see, when you subtract 26 minus 14 became 12. Then 14 minus 2 also became 12. Okay, just you have to do this part inside and just you have to put 14 in the box. Okay, first one is finished. Then see next. Then next one. First one, now see 3 2. First one is also box. Then there is 13. Then another box. Then there are 3. Okay. Now here we know this second term. See here second term is first term we can retain as A, second term we can retain as A plus D, third term A plus 2D, fourth term A plus 3D. Like this way we can write here second term. Second term, that means A2. A2 is equal A plus D is equal how much? 13. This is one of the equation 1. Then third term, this one is fourth term. Fourth term, that means A4. is equal a plus 3d is equal 3. This is equation number 2. In previous one lesson is there linear equation in two variable. We already did it. By doing elimination method we can solve it. Now see here equation 1 minus equation 2. 1 minus minus minus. Then plus into minus became minus. This a is in minus. This one is in plus. Cancel. Plus into minus became minus. And here this one is plus. Minus will left because it would dangor hoy 2d is equal plus into minus became minus. Minus 3 plus 13 is equal 10. Then d is equal minus 10 by 2 is equal minus 5. Now we got d. D is equal how much? Minus 5. Now see, putting the value of d, in equation. Which equation is little easy? Equation 1 is little easy. That's why I put in equation number 1. A plus d is equal 13. It implies we did not know a is a plus d we know d is equal minus 5. Then is equal 13. Then see a plus into minus became minus 5 is equal 13. A is equal 13. When minus 5 gone that side it will become plus 5. It will become 18. Now we got a is equal, this term is equal 18. Then this term 18 minus d is minus 5. 18 minus 5 13. 13 minus 5 is equal 8. 8 minus 5 is equal 3. Okay, our question is over. Now see question number this others are homework for you. Same একে ধৰণে কৰিলে সব ওলাই যাব. Number 4 to show which term of AP this one is 78. Easy. All this chapter is about that formula an is equal a plus n minus 1 whole into d. 3 8 13 18 dot dot dot. They are asking 78. What term is 78? That means 10 number term to 78 ne 15 number term to ki uliabo lagise. Now here a is equal how much? First you have to write solution. Then here a is equal 5, b is equal 8 minus 3 is equal 5 or 13 minus 8 is equal 5. Now we got a and d. Now we know an is equal a plus n minus 1 into d. an is equal how much? 78 is equal a is equal 5. Oh sorry, a is equal 3. A is equal 3 plus n we did not know n minus 1. D is equal how much? 5. Okay. Now it can be written as like this also. 3 plus n minus 1 into 5 is equal 78. Now n minus 1 into 5 is equal 78. A 3 to minus 3. It will become n minus 1 into 5 is equal 75. Then n minus 1 is equal 75. This 5 is multiplied here. When it will go on that side, it will become divided. Then n minus 1 is equal, when you cut it, it will become 115. 15 5 is 75. Then n is equal 15. When minus 1 go on that side, it will become plus 1. n is equal how much? 16. ঠিক আছে, ভিডিওটো বেছি দীঘল নকৰোঁ আৰু এটা ক্লাছত এইখিনি কমপ্লিট কৰিম তোমালোকক। যদি ভাল লাগিছে ভিডিওটো লাইক কৰিবা আৰু আপকামিং ভিডিঅ'ছবোৰ পাই থাকিবৰ কাৰণে যদি চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰা নাই ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবা আৰু কাষত থকা ঘণ্টা বটনটো দবাই দিবা। থেংক ইউ।